Okay, let's continue the lecture. So we want to show that A belongs to. So let A be any element of S. आपको प्रूव करना है A E फ्लैट में है. हम देखेंगे वो कब E फ्लैट में होगा. A belongs to E फ्लैट कब होगा. ये belongs to E फ्लैट. E फ्लैट की डेफिनेशन क्या है. If and only if x a y क्योंकि दोनों जगह a है. belongs to E for all x y belongs to S1. A तभी E फ्लैट में होगा जब ये होगा x a y belongs to, and this one is true because E is reflexive, but the later one is true. So but one is true because this E is equivalence. Therefore A it belongs to E flat for all A belongs to S. So this proves the reflexivity of E flat. Next we prove symmetric property. E flat is symmetric. So let's take a pair that AB belongs to E flat. आपको प्रूव करना है BA भी E flat में होना चाहिए. But this by definition gives XAY belongs to E for all x y belongs to S1 by definition of E flat. Now since this is an equivalence, therefore if whenever XAY XB belongs to E, it implies that XBY and XAY it's also an E by symmetric property of E. This implies XBY XAY belongs to E for all XY belongs to S1. Belongs to S1. Okay, because this E is symmetric. E is symmetric. And this gives BA belongs to E flat, again by definition of E flat. Okay, this implies BA belongs to E flat by definition of E flat. Finally we show that next we show that E flat is transitive. E flat is transitive. So we must take two pairs and then we show the pair that AC. Okay, let AB and BC belongs to E flat. This by definition of E flat gives XAY XBY, and here XBY belongs to E flat for all x y belongs to S1. Okay.
Belongs to E, not E flat.
Oh yes, belongs to E. You're right. Belongs to E. Okay, good. So this gives now since E is transitive, we can apply the transitive property of E. This gives xy belongs to E for all xy belongs to S1 because this E is transitive. E is transitive. So which implies AC belongs to E flat. AC belongs to E flat. अब हमें कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करें. पहले हम लेफ्ट कंपैटिबल चेक करें. E फ्लैट इज लेफ्ट कंपैटिबल. फिर हम प्रूव करेंगे राइट कंपैटिबल. Okay. E flat is left compatible. So let's take a pair in E flat. Let AB belongs to E flat and S belongs to S. आपको प्रूव करना है SASB is also in E flat. So this is an E flat, so which means that for all x and y, xay, xby belongs to E flat. So this implies xay, xby belongs to E flat for all xy in S1, and this gives अगर अब मैं x की जगह पर xs चूज करूं क्योंकि वो भी S1 का ही एलिमेंट होगा. xs ay xs xs by belongs to E flat for all xy belongs to S1. Okay? आप रीजन लिख सकते हो बिकॉज द एलिमेंट xs इट्स ऑल्सो इन S1. ये भी S1 का ही मेंबर है. So now let's apply the associative property. This is x s a y x. Oh yes. मैं भूल जाता हूँ. This is E only. Okay, this is not E flat. X b y belongs to E. This is true for all xy in S1, but then this gives the pair SASB belongs to E flat. SASB belongs to E flat. This is left compatibility. Similarly, we can prove that E flat is right compatible. Similarly, we can prove that this E flat is right compatible. Is right compatible. Is right compatible. Okay, so therefore this is congruence. This is congruence. So therefore E flat is congruence. Therefore E flat is a congruence. So next we show that it is the largest congruence. It is the largest congruence. So let's take any congruence contained in E. We show that that congruence also contained in E flat. Let rho be any congruence on S such that this rho is contained in E. रो इज कंटेनड इन ई. हमें प्रूव करना ई फ्लैट लार्जेस्ट है. वी शो दैट दिस रो इज सबसेट ऑफ ई फ्लैट. रो इज सबसेट ऑफ ई फ्लैट. So let's take a pair in rho. Let AB belongs to rho. So this means AB is also in E. So this means if it is in rho is a congruence, which means that this thing, its left compatibility, right compatibility of rho x b y belongs to rho for all x y in S1, because rho is left and right compatible. Rho is left and right compatible. Rho is left and right compatible. Okay, yes. So but then this one x a, it's in rho and rho is subset of E, so it means that x a y x b y belongs to E, because rho is subset of E, and it's true for all x y in S1. Okay, and again by definition of flat, E flat, this gives the pair AB belongs to E flat. So thus E flat is the largest congruence contained in E. Thus E flat is the largest congruence contained in E. Thus E flat is the largest congruence contained in E. Thus E flat is the largest congruence which is contained in E. E flat is the largest congruence contained in E. Now we will see that the properties of the class of equivalences and the class of congruences on a given semigroup S.
सर इतना ही पढ़ते सर.
नहीं.
सर जा रहे हैं.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं.
मिनट हो गई, आप प्लीज चेक करें.
यस.
8% है.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं.
फिर बहुत सालों का लीव हो जाता है.
सर मुझे आ रहा है कि योर फोन इज टू हॉट, क्लोज एप्लीकेशंस.
अभी इतना मत करो.
सच में
मुझे सच में 1% रह गया सर।
कोई बात नहीं।
कोई
आप क्यों ऐसा बोलते हो? आप क्यों तो इतने ज़्यादा?
रोल नंबर
कोई
रोल
बात
नंबर
नहीं,
भी
आप
नोट
इतना ही
कर।
करेंगे, मैं इतना जल्दी भी नहीं करता हूँ।
सर ये रिक्वेस्ट थी आपसे।
क्या?
सर हम करना है ना 15 को असाइनमेंट।
हाँ
सर
हाँ।
सर वो अब है ना सर एग्जाम्स, तो हम थोड़ा उस पर कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे।
एग्ज़ाम कब तक है?
सर एग्जाम हमें है
21
नेक्स्ट।
तक।
20 तक।
यस सर।
20 तक। चलिए, लेट इट बी 23rd कीजिए फिर। 23rd।
सर अगर कहीं समझ नहीं
सर
आया सर
एग्जाम
आप
के
एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं
एग्जाम
सर।
के बाद ही करें।
ओके, एग्ज़ाम के बाद ही कीजिए आप 23rd को।